Okay, so this will be daughter and mother bonding. We'll see how it goes. Where are we going, Kiona?
Moa.
Yeah, we'll go to Moa and hunting for sail. Nothing we can do. This is how quiet it is.
Guys, I have news. I will fart. I farted. Just kidding.
Kita na
Oh, that's what you do.
akong anak, mauwaw siya mag-vlog ko. Okay. Ambot nga nung mauwaw siya. So, di siya ganun mag-vlog ko. Ako lang. Oo, okay siya. So, paabot kami sa bus. Pero dugay man kay maabot ang bus. Like, more than an hour to wait. So, may buhato na to. Hindi magpa-pick up. Excuse me. Pa-pick up na lang mi sa akong partner. Sa unta man. Kani laging laagan. My daughter is very laagan. So this is it. We have to wait.